At the end of this video, you will become a programmer. You will start typing code, you will make programs, and no more excuses. If you can't watch 2 minutes of this video without losing your attention span, then I'm afraid you're not going to make it. So the first step is the setup. You need a program where to write code. Technically, you can open up your notepad and start writing code here, but it is very not optimized. It doesn't have any features at all related to code. It will be just a pain, a big pain. So go to your browser, in the search bar type VS Code, click on download, and select your preferred operational system. And I doubt you will have no problems installing. So what is VS Code? VS Code is basically a program like Notepad, but it is very more advanced. It has way more features. I will explain later. Now, once you have downloaded and opened Visual Studio Code, you will see many buttons. Do not freak out. Just you will need this button, open folder. Click on it. Now select any place you want your folder you will write code inside to be. I will create one in my documents and I will call it a program. Very simple, very straightforward. Now, once we have opened our folder inside the Visual Studio Code, we can manipulate this folder. We can insert a new file and call it, for example, anything, Apple. Now let's turn this Apple file into a programmable file. So it is just like a plain text as we see, but if we rename it, keep this part the same and at the end add .py. Py is short for Python. It is a very popular programming language. We will write code through. Let's type our first program. Print is a function. Let's type parentheses, quotation marks, hello world. Hello world is like a classic in programming world. It is basically the first program every programmer runs. Now save this file by typing Ctrl S. Now the file is saved. How do we run it? We need our computer to recognize Python. For our computer to run Python, we need to download it. In the search bar of your browser, type Python. Click download Python, download the newest version. As you see, my Python is installing. Now, the moment of truth. Execute our file. By the way, running code is generally a better way of saying that is executing our code. So if you're on full screen, you might see this terminal button, but if you minimize, it becomes 3 dots. So that's how we find terminal. Click terminal and new terminal. So a terminal is a concept where you write certain commands to the computer and the computer reads them and executes them. So what do we type here? We type Python. Python is basically a command that we installed previously. This is just a command name, and then we type our file name, apple.py. Python apple.py. Very simple. Click enter. Hello world. You have officially become a programmer. That's wonderful. Now let's write another line of code. Print and type your name. I will just type John. Now let's do the same thing. By the way, if you want to run previous command, you don't want to type Python apple.py once again and again, you just type the up arrow button. It will just bring you to your previous command. Click enter. Oh, I forgot to save it. By the way, don't forget to save. Click Python apple.py. Hello world, and then we have an error. It may seem very cryptic, but it does give a lot of information. So file apple.py, line 2 in module, name John is not defined. Can you identify our problem? If you say that we don't have these quotation marks, then you are correct. Let's save again. Run our file, hello world, John. Now the next very important concept is variables. For example, we have printed out the name John. What if we create a variable that represents this value? So name equals John. Now instead of printing John, let's print out name. As you see, we don't need any quotation marks right now because we're printing a dynamic value with a, like, we're not printing text, we're printing a variable that holds a value. So now try to guess what could be the output. Let's save our code and check it out. Hello world John. So what did happen? I think you already can guess it, but the name, the variable name, is set to John, and when we print out name, it will go to the name and see its value. The value is John, so we print out John. And please like and subscribe to my channel because I could potentially start your career in something awesome. So go to YouTube, type Python course, and as you see, there are many Python courses. This video was more of like a introduction to coding, not like to Python itself, but like more to get you on the track. So there are many programming courses. The one I recommend you a lot is this Bro Code Python full course for free. It is 12 hours. It seems like a lot, but if you enjoy programming, it will fly past very well. And the thing I recommend you to do is, the longer the course is, the more you're going to learn. Do not go with a very short course. Bigger course, more knowledge.